Welcome to pkpioneers.com tutorials.
So, let me show you how to install theme in WordPress. Let's check the home page. Here you can see current theme is simple blog theme. Now in your admin dashboard, click on Appearance, then click on Add New button. Here you can upload a theme or select a theme provided by WordPress. We'll scroll down to check the theme we like or filter by subject. For this tutorial we are going with theme Bottega free theme. Now click on Install. Once the installation is completed, click on Activate. And click on Start a Sites button. Now all templates of the theme are shown. We'll import Beauty template, which is free. Click or activate all the options, then click Import. This process will take some time to complete as temp products are being imported along with theme content. Once it's completed, click on View Site. Now you can see the WordPress blog is transformed in e-commerce website. Now you know how to install a theme on WordPress.
Please like, share and subscribe.